Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Black+Decker compact dryer. The load volume is 13.2 pounds. So I've had this dryer for about 2 months now. I waited to do the review instead of doing an unboxing. So just to see if it will hold up. I got it from Amazon for $300 plus dollars, $399 I think, $399. So it is an economical option if you're looking for a smaller dryer and if you don't want to spend like $800 for a dryer. So I'm gonna give you some tips that I've learned from using it. So let's see here. So here are the controls. What I've learned is I don't like using this two buttons. So this is just for like to be efficient, energy efficient, but it doesn't really dry the clothes as much. And then what I really use mainly is this button, and to dry your clothes. As you can see, it is pretty full. I have clothes here. It can fit so this is my washer, so it can fit a whole load of clothes, except for like towel. I do try to not put towels here, but there's one towel here. But I don't put big loads like if I washed blankets from here, I just put like the basic stuff here, like pants and t-shirts. But I don't put heavy stuff like bulky blankets. But it does accommodate a whole load from here. I just pull out like the blankets and towels and put it right here. So what I learned is to help it with like drying, I use this wool balls. It's a natural fabric softener. I got it from Amazon as well. This really helps with the drying process. So what I do use most of the time is just do that, and then the settings. So this is just this is like a light drying settings. If you look at here, the blue ones are just tumbled. This is just air dry, so it doesn't do much. This one is like a cool dry, and then what I really use is the red. That's where I mainly set it to. Here we go. I set it like that, and it really dries up the clothes. And as you can see, it's not the quietest dryer, but it's tolerable. As you can see, it came with this wooden thing, 2 of these, so you can like stack it on top of the washer. And the wall outlet, let me turn this off. So there you go. It dries really well, so I'm pretty impressed with how well it dries. As for the build, it's pretty sturdy. The door is made of plastic though, so it's a thick plastic, but just be careful with this mechanism. It's plastic. I don't know how well it would hold up, but it's pretty good. And there are two things that you need to clean up regularly. This one you don't have to do as much. This is the lint remover, but this one, it doesn't get dirty very often. The one that you need to clean all the time is in the back. So let me remove this clothes and I'll show you. So this is the lint collector in the back. All you have to do is just grab it like that. It comes out really easily. And then you clean it out. And there you go. You got all the lint here to remove. Remove all that lint, and it's helpful to also use this for your dryers. Just snap it back like so. It's pretty easy there. It snaps right back, and I'm gonna put it right back in to show you how it looks like. There, when you see that here, that snap, it's all good. So yes, I would definitely recommend this dryer if you're looking for a compact dryer for an apartment. It fits, as you can see, this is like a standard size washer, an LG washer, and it perfectly fits on top of one. And yes, this two settings, you can try and experiment with them. I've tried it, but it takes a really long time to dry the clothes. Like this one, air dry, it takes a long time. And if you're just like trying to like use it for delicate items, you can use this settings, but mainly for drying I just use the red settings. So there you go. That's all our video for today. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.